Hey guys, I'm Alvin, and welcome to another One More Week to Go video. Today, I'll be showing you a quick room tour of the Haneda Excel Hotel Tokyu, an airport hotel located at Terminal 2 of Haneda International Airport. The main entrance is located on the departure level. First, let's get ourselves checked in. After a quick check-in, we were escorted upstairs to our room by hotel staff, who also helped us carry our luggage. And here we are, room 5242 on the 5th floor, which is a runway-facing room. Let's head inside and check it out. The room provides excellent views of Terminal 2 gates, as well as runway 16 left and 34 right. The room features a large, comfortable king bed and spacious interiors that are comparable to Western-style hotel rooms. The usual amenities are provided, including complimentary coffee and tea, a water boiler, and of course, a mini fridge. Room lighting controls can be found on the side table, as well as a giant USB power bank. Pajamas were provided as well, although I never ended up wearing it. The bathroom was pretty standard, but I liked how spacious it was. The water pressure of the shower was really good as well. I also appreciated all the amenities that were provided. What's great about Haneda is the free shuttle bus service that runs frequently between the 3 terminals. We used this a couple of times to get to the different observation decks. And that's it for the room tour. Check out some of the time lapses I was able to get from the room itself. If you're an AV geek, well, you definitely need to check this hotel out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and check out our website in the description below for more travel and aviation content. Thanks for watching, happy travels, and see you in the next one.